I have attended many webinars or latest many nutrition programs on this NCDs because
Yes.
as you have already know that the 7 out of the 10 mortalities are from the NCDs. Or as we all know that according to the post economic liberalization, the life expectancy though has improved from 59.7 years to 70.3 years in 216 in the women and 58.3 years to 66.9 years in men. So, but earlier there is a myth that NCD is the diseases of the rich countries, but it's not the same scenario now because it's the now great burden in the on the developing countries also. So, as you Parminder have already said that it's a gradual disease, and it's the most beneficial thing is of it is that it's the preventive disease. We can prevent it by lifestyle management, by diet, by early detection, and by early intervention. So, in spite of the medicine, the lifestyle has played a major role in it. So, because the medicine expenditure and the treatment cost is too much in these diseases. So if we early detect these diseases and intervene and change our lifestyle, then we can save many lives and burden on the economy of our country also.
Yes, yeah. Basically, these things are very, very important, Dr. Nidhi, as you have mentioned, that these things are preventable. But the thing is, most of the people are still unaware that how they can prevent this, and this is the challenge of the today's time.
Yeah.
Okay, so even there was a report in the National Health Portal platform, and they were mentioning in India 5.4 million people lose life due to non-communicable disease, and majority
Yes.
of these people are in the age group of 30 to 70.
Yeah, you are very much right. That it's mostly the people are from the age 39 to 70, and this is our main manpower age group. So if we lose premature death during these ages, then mostly we will lose our manpower, and it will grossly affect our economy status also.
Yes, it's very, very important. And even this year only, in the month of February, our vice president made a national call, especially to change the lifestyles, because
Yeah.
NCDs are increasing in the country, whether it's cancer, whether it's cardiovascular, whether it's diabetes, whether
Yeah.
even it's the neurological disorders people are facing. So it was
Yes.
a report of just 2 days back only, and it was mentioned that neurological diseases are also increasing. In the last 30 years, it has increased very hugely.
Yeah. And very rapidly also.
Yes, yes,
So there must be a combined effort from all the fields with an open mind to control this. Rather from the nutrition, whether you are from the medical fraternity, whether you are the dietitians, whether you are the health awareness people, whether you are from the health industry, or whether you are the life coaches. So the combined effort should be there at this at a one platform. So that's very necessary
yes,
because
very, very
individually
necessary.
you can't help a lot. If you make the efforts at the individual level, then you will don't get the much benefit, not anything productive. So it's I think it's a combined effort should be there.